Hi, welcome to Unix Academy. This is Jyoti. Today in this video I am going to show you Kubernetes API primitives. Kubernetes API primitives, also known as Kubernetes objects, those are the basic building blocks of any application running in Kubernetes. Building and managing Kubernetes applications means working with objects. It is essential to be familiar with Kubernetes objects in order to develop application for Kubernetes. Kubernetes API primitives are also called Kubernetes objects. These are data block objects that represent the state of the cluster. For example, we can say the Kubernetes objects are pods, nodes, service accounts, and number of more. The kubectl API-resource command will list the object types. Currently, the objects, every object has spec and status. Spec on spec, you provide the spec. This defines the desired state of the object, and status. This is provided by the Kubernetes cluster and contains information about the current state of the object. Now let's move on to the lab. This is my master server. I will give the command kubectl resources with -o flag name all names. It will display the default Kubernetes objects. Number of objects we are looking on the screen. There are config maps is there, and namespaces, nodes, persistent volumes, pods and secrets, service accounts, services, number of objects we are looking on the screen. We can also give the command to see the system default pods using my kubectl get pods -n kube system. It will provide the default pods on the Kubernetes cluster. There are etcd is there, core DNS and API server, controller manager, funnel network related pods, proxy pods, and the end scheduler pods also. We are looking on the screen. Now I will list the Kubernetes nodes. Kubectl get nodes or no will provide the all nodes on the cluster. These are I am using 3 nodes. One is master and 2 worker nodes. And I will give the command kubectl get nodes, then node name. I will provide my master name. Here you can get in real time master server host name. I am having IP address. I will give that IP address. Here you can give any host name or IP address. It will show the detailed information of that particular node. Kubernetes is maintaining up to 5,000 nodes. So we can give the if you want to see a particular node information, you can give the kubectl get nodes node host name or node IP address. You can get information about that particular node information. Here host name or IP address will show in real time, and then status is ready, and those role, it means it is master or node, and age, and those node version. And Kubernetes objects are often represented in the YAML format. So you can create an object by providing the cluster with YAML, defining the object and its spec. We can see the node object details in YAML format. The command is kubectl get nodes, then node hostname or node IP address with -o flag, then YAML script. It will show the YAML script. Here you can see the API version, kind node. Kind is the name of the object we will provide in the kind section, and metadata section related node, under labels. If it is having any labels, it will show here, under name of the node. Full detailed information it will provide in YAML script format, and spec section, POTCIR, and status, address, internal IP address, and host name, allocatable resources, and capacity of that resources, conditions, and images. There is nothing. Images, these are values are providing by the Kubernetes cluster by default. Node info at the end, node in full details I can see in the YAML format. Then you can get the information about an object's spec and status using the kubectl describe command. The command I will provide here, kubectl describe, then node name or node host name, this command will describe the information about this particular node, how many images it contains, how many containers are running, those information, resource information, and all the information it will provide is the command kubectl describe node hostname or node IP address. The node name, IP address is providing roles, master role, and labels, annotations. We will see these things later. Creation timestamp, trends, taints, and schedulable conditions, and at the end all the details about the capacity, allocatable system information, everything it will show at the end of this is command. I can see the events here. Those with these events we can troubleshoot if we have any node related errors is coming. We can see in these events and we can troubleshoot those errors. This is regarding the API primitives, nothing but Kubernetes objects. We will work with Kubernetes objects later videos and practice these commands. We can familiar with Kubernetes objects and Kubernetes commands. You need to give important commands in the Kubernetes cluster using these commands. Okay, subscribe my channel for further videos. If you like this video, and click on like button. If you have any queries, give a comment. Thank you.